Hi guys, Johan from Shop and Dapper here again, and now I'm going to show you how to exchange or change out your little black rubber bits. So it's very simple. You receive the new ones, you pull the old one out, a little bit of force, and then when you get the new ones, make sure that you put it in the right way so it's like the way it was before. So you've put the end in through this little hole. It might be a little bit fiddly, but use a little bit of force and voila, it's there. Make sure it's attached, and then you feed it through the hole underneath, and your shirt stays are ready to go for hopefully a couple more years. Alright, thank you very much for checking in. If you like what I do, I'm going to try to make more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.